Hi, good morning, children. Today we are going to the second unit, addition and subtraction. Already we learned previous classes additions. No, now we are going to the next topic is subtraction. Already you have idea what is the subtraction, how we are doing subtraction. So what is the symbol of subtraction? So this is a symbol of subtraction. Yes or no, children? Already we know na what is this sign of subtraction. Okay. So we are doing here example 1489 from 3645. So how we are arrange the numbers? First we are going to the arrange the numbers. See how many digits are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit number. So you have to take first ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. First you have to take big number. Okay children, first you have to take big number. See what is a big number here? 3645. 3645 minus 1489. 89. So in subtraction also we are doing first ones place, after tens, after hundred and after thousand. Okay. So now we are subtracting the ones. Subtract the ones place. What are the digits here in subtract ones place? 5 minus 9. So we can subtract 5 minus 9. We cannot subtract. Why? Because when we are doing the subtraction means you have to check the big first number. So first number is big number or small number. So here see once observe here 5 minus 9. We cannot subtract. How we will subtract here? So 5 is a small number, 9 is a big number. So we cannot subtract. So you have to take from tens place onwards borrow. Okay, we are taking here borrow from tens place. Okay, so here how much it will come? 5 became a 15 it will come, and here 4 onwards we are giving one borrow means you have to deduct from this number one number. Okay, you have to deduct from this number. Okay, 4 minus 1. Why? Because one number we are giving here borrow to ones place. So 4 minus 1. How much 4 minus 1? 3. So you should cut 4 and should write here 3. Okay, now you have to do subtraction. Okay, 15 minus 9. Addition means we are going to the after numbers. Okay, you know na, addition means we are going to the after numbers. Subtraction means you have to count the before numbers. Okay children, you have to count the before number. So 15 minus 9, how much? 15 in the mind, 9 on the fingers you have to take. 15 before you have to count 9 numbers. Okay, 15 before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Okay, 6. 15 minus 9 is equal to 6. This 6 you should write down in ones place. Okay, this 6 you should write down in ones place. Next we are going to the subtraction in tens place. Okay, here see observe once what are the numbers here? 3 minus 8. Okay, 3 minus 8. We can subtract 3 minus 8. No, we cannot subtract. Why? Because 3 is a small number, 8 is a big number. So we cannot subtract. Here also you have to take from another place borrow. Okay, so you have to take from 100 plus borrow means 3 became a 13 it will come, and 6 became a 5. Okay, 6 became a 5. Now you have to subtract from 13 minus 8. Okay, 13 minus 8. How much 13 minus 8? So 13 before you have to count 8 numbers. Okay, 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. Understood children? So this 5 you should write down in tens place. Okay, you write down in tens place. Now we are going to the 100 place. See here, observe in 100 place what are the digits here? 5 minus 4. Okay, 5 minus 4. We can subtract or not? Once you have to check. See, 5 is a big number, 4 is a small number. So we can subtract. You don't take borrow from another place. We can subtract. So 5 minus 4 how much? 1. So you should write down in 100 place 1. Okay, now we are going to the 1000 place. What are the digits here? 3 minus 1. Here also once observe, 3 is a big number, 1 is a small number. So you have to do directly subtract. So 3 minus 1, 3 before number 2. So you should write down in 1000 plus 2. So what is the answer? 2156. Okay, 2156. In this way you have to do subtraction. Okay children. Next, let us see another number. So what is another number? 4000 minus 2395. So this is a zeros is there. See, ones place and tens place and hundred place, all zeros will be there. Okay, how to subtract from this number to this number? Okay, first you have to arrange the number column wise. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, now 4000 and minus 2395. Okay, let us see subtraction. First, ones place we are doing subtraction. See, here ones place digits is 0 minus 5. How can subtract 0 minus 5? 0 we cannot subtract. So that is a we cannot subtract from 0 to 5. Okay, so you have to take from borrow to tens place. So here also 0 will be there. In 100 place also 0 will be there. In 1000 place 4 is there. So you have to take from 1000 place. Okay, don't confuse, you have to take from 1000 place. So here onwards you have to take borrow. 0 became a 10. Okay children, 0 became a 10. Here it will come 0 is there. So here also will come 10. So already we are giving here onwards one borrow now. So here will be come 9. And here also will be there 0. 0 also we are taking borrow means it will become a 10. So already we are giving here borrow means here also 0 became a 9. So here 4 became a 3. Okay. So now we have to subtract this ones place. 10 minus 5. Okay. 10 minus 5. How much 10 minus 5? So you have to count before numbers. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. So you should write down ones place 5. Now subtract the tens place. Okay, what are the digits here? 9 minus 9. So 9 minus 9 means 0. Nothing will become. Okay, 0 it will come. So you should write down tens place 0. Okay, now 100 place. What are the digits here? 9 minus 3. 9 before count you 3 numbers. Okay, 9 before 3 means how much it will get? 8, 7, 6. Okay, 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So this 6 you should write down in 100 place. Okay, now we are going to the 1000 place. 3 minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 2. How much 3 minus 2? 3 before count 2 numbers. 3 before 2, 1. Okay, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So 1000 plus 1 will become. So what is the answer here? 1605. Okay children, 1605. In this way you have to do subtraction. Okay, don't confuse. Once you have to do in your rough notebook. Okay children. Let us see exercise 2.3. Okay, exercise 2.3. First bit is, what is the first bit? Subtract the following numbers. Okay, first bit is subtract the following numbers. So they given here numbers, you have to arrange the column wise. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. What is the numbers here? 7004 minus 4261. Okay, 7004 and 4261. So you have to first do subtract the ones column. Okay, 4 minus 1. See here, observe. So 4 minus 1 we can subtract or we cannot subtract? Yes, we can subtract. Why? Because 4 is a big number, 1 is a small number. So 4 minus 1, 3. So you should count before numbers. 4 before number 3. Okay, 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Next we are going to the tens place. See here, once observe. What are the digits here? 0 minus 6. 0 minus 6 we can subtract now? No, we cannot subtract. So you have to take borrow from another place. Okay, so before place means here also 0 will be there. So we cannot subtract. Here also we cannot taking borrow. So you have to check 1000 place. Here onwards you have to take borrow. So how much it will get? 0 became a 10. Here also became a 10. Why? Because we are taking again here borrow means it will get 9. 10 became a 9. Okay, 9. Here 7 became a 6. Okay, now subtract the tens place. 10 minus 6. How much 10 minus 6? 10 before you have to count the 6 numbers. Okay, 10 before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now 100 place, 9 minus 2. 9 before you have to count two numbers. 9 before how much? 8, 7. Okay, 7 you should write down in 100 place. Okay, now 1000 place, 6 minus 4. How much 6 minus 4? 2. Okay, answer is 2743. Okay, next one. 9384 minus 2679. This also you should arrange the column wise, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, let us see ones subtracting. So what is the numbers here? 4 minus 9. 4 minus 9 we are subtracting or not? So we cannot subtract. Here also you have to take borrow. So from tens place, okay, 4 became a 14. Here 8 became a 7. Okay children, 14 minus 9. You should count 14 minus 9. How much 14 minus 9? How much 14 before? 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. How much? 5 it will get. Okay, next tens place. 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7 how much? Is 0. 7 minus 7 is equal to 0. Now 100 place, 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 we can subtract now here? No. Why? Because 3 is a small number, 6 is a big number. So we cannot subtract. So you have to take borrow from 1000 place. Okay. Here 3 became a 13. Here 9 became a 8. Okay. 13 minus 6. How much 13 minus 6? 13 before you should count 6 numbers. Okay. 13 before 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 6. Okay. How much? 7 it will give. 7. Okay. Now 8 minus 2. 8 before 2 you should count. Okay. 8 minus 2. 8 before 7, 6. So what is the answer? 6705. Okay. 6705. In this way you have to do subtraction. Okay.